Hi, I'm Steve Shepard, the developer of Storyist. In this screencast, I'll show you how to use the Writing Goals Inspector in Storyist for Mac. In version 3.3 and later, the Goals Inspector is available from the Goals button in the toolbar. The inspector gives you three views of your writing sessions: the calendar view, the graph view, and the summary view. You can switch between them as I just did by clicking on the page buttons at the bottom of the view, or you can use the action menu. The calendar view gives you a sense of how your writing sessions vary from day to day. Dates are color-coded with your progress for each day you write, and the mouse and cursor keys let you select individual dates for more information. The graph view shows you your progress over time. You can use the date range pop-up to see a graph of your entire project, or of shorter periods. For example, there are presets to show you the last 7 days, last 30 days, this week, last week, this month, and last month. You can also enter a custom range. Like the calendar view, you can use the mouse and cursor keys to select the days to view. The summary view shows you high-level stats for a range of dates. You can see average word count per day, the word count of your best day, the number of days you actually wrote, and the number of times you met your goal. As with the graph view, you can set the range of dates you're interested in using the date range pop-up. If you're running Storyist on El Capitan or later, you can keep the popover open as you write by simply dragging it to a different location on your screen. This is especially useful in full screen mode. You can even minimize the view so you can track your progress as you write. You can export your session data to a .csv file for use with a spreadsheet application like Excel or Numbers for further number crunching. And Storyist exports both the daily total and the running project total. Setup's pretty straightforward. The first time you open the Goals Inspector after creating new projects, you'll see a Goals Setup view. Enter your word count goals for your project and your daily goal as well. You can also select which files you want Storyist to include in the word counts. You can change the goals later if you need to, using the Edit Goals item in the Actions menu, or by navigating to the File Info Inspector for your project. And if you start from a template that contains text, you can reset your word counts for the project from the Action menu. That's about it. Good luck with your projects.